What's your name? What's your name? Or what is your name? Kunชื่ออะไร? Kunชื่ออะไร? Grab myself a pen. Look at these tones. Kun, kun. It's there's no tone marker up here. Zero tone marker, right? So when there's zero tone marker, that means it's a flat tone, sometimes called a common tone, sometimes called a middle tone, but it's the natural sound of your voice. Kun. You may drop it off a little bit at the end. Kun. Or you can just keep it flat. It's okay, either way. Chü. Now if we look, we see this tone marker right there on top, shaped like a little hill. You go up and you come down, and you come down considerably further. So, chü. Clean that up a little bit. Here we go. Arai. Is low tone. See how that points downwards to the right because we read left to right. Arai. That's one word. Arai is one word. First half of the word is low tone. Second half of the word is a flat tone. Rai. So that's rai. First half is lower in your register, and then rai is your normal tone of voice. So we have kun, flat tone, ch, falling tone, rai. Two tones. Cool.
คุณชื่ออะไรคุณชื่ออะไรคุณชื่ออะไร
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 Kun chü arai. Looking at this word by word, kun. It's a flat tone word, kun, but it's also a short word. It's not kun. It's kun. It means you, Mr., Mrs., Miss, or Ms. Chü. Now that's your name. Chü, or to be named. Chü. Now it's falling tone, right? It goes up and it comes down. But chü, like you're kind of like chew, like you're chewing on something, but you tighten your throat up right here. Chü. Kun chü. Chü. All right, you want to try that? Chü. 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 Be sure to get that tone in there. I know you're doing a couple of complicated things. We're making a sound that we don't have in English. And you're doing a falling tone, which we don't have in English. So you're combining two things here that are rather difficult. But this is something people are going to ask you this right away when you get to Thailand, and you're going to ask other people. Chü. What is your name? Kun chü arai. And in that sentence, chü means name. Rai. One word, two syllables. Is low tone. Rai is flat tone. Rai. It means what? Something, anything, or whatever. You know, like I've said before, and I'll say it many times because it bears being said. In Thai and in English, we have words that don't translate straight across to the other language. That's why arai, which you would think would just be what, means what, and then sometimes it means something, and then sometimes it means anything, and then sometimes it means whatever. Okay? That's the way it works in Thai. For us, we're looking for what is the word what. Well, actually, there are several words for what. This is the one that we would use in this type of sentence. Arai is the closest thing to just a straight what. Okay, and it's a question word. If you notice right here, I highlighted the question mark. That's because arai is a question word. That makes whatever sentence that's in, it makes it a question. Okay? Because in Thai they don't use question marks, they use question words, and arai is a question word. So you'll want to keep that in mind. All right? Now repeat after me. And whenever you see either one of these symbols, whether it says repeat after me signal or just the circle of arrows, repeat after me. And also, just repeat after me anyway. Even if I don't give you time to repeat after me, this is me and you talking out loud, okay? So if I say something like, if I say arai, but I just keep talking, you're welcome to and encouraged to just go ahead and say arai, right? Whenever you hear me speak Thai, just repeat it. Whenever you hear one of the other instructors speak Thai, just repeat it. Okay? Very good. So repeat after me. Kunชื่ออะไร คุณชื่ออะไร คุณชื่ออะไร Okay, now let's do it one more time, and let's really pay close attention to the tones, because the tones are really critical. Kun is flat tone, right? So just let's say kun. 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 Okay. ชื่อ 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 Be sure and get that falling tone in your voice, okay? Bring it up and bring it down. ชื่อ And then อะไร อะไร First half of the word is low tone, second half comes back up to your normal voice, so dip down for it. อะไร อะไร Okay, let's listen now since we've been through it and you know what the words mean. We're going to listen without captions to train your ears, okay?
คุณชื่ออะไร คุณชื่ออะไร คุณชื่ออะไร
คุณชื่ออะไร คุณชื่ออะไร คุณชื่ออะไร
คุณชื่ออะไร คุณชื่ออะไร คุณชื่ออะไร
And now with the captions, now that we've heard it and you've heard it without the captions, you've done your ear training. Now let's tie it all back together.
คุณชื่ออะไร คุณชื่ออะไร คุณชื่ออะไร
And there it is. คุณชื่ออะไร What's your name? I guarantee you will hear that. And now you know how to say it, and now you know what it means. Very good. Onward.